This video I'm going to show you how you can deposit xStocks on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So Kraken has recently added those new xStocks into their platform. In case you don't know, those are basically digital tokens on the blockchain that will represent the price of the real life stock on the real life market basically. So if we go right here, we can see xStocks. This is the new option, and you will see all the companies, all the stocks right here. You can buy just like the real life market. And in case you want to deposit, because maybe you have them on other wallet, all you need to do is, for example, let's say I want to deposit Nvidia xStocks. Just click right here, scroll down, and you should see deposit. So if you click there, you will see some simple Solana instructions. For example, you can only deposit those type of stocks from the Solana network. In this case, there is a minimum deposit, which is pretty low. The processing time for those transactions will be less than a minute. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So click on I understand, and right here you should see your deposit address. Just copy it and paste it on the other platform, or send it to whoever you want. You can also use this QR code, which by scanning it, you will see the details to get your transaction ready. Here you also have some details, which are basically the ones we just saw earlier, and that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.